What's happening, guys? It's Jeremy and we're back today. We're gonna make one of my childhood favorite burgers to ever make. It was called a cheese dream burger, but we're gonna take it up a notch and we're gonna add bacon because bacon makes everything better. So we're gonna make some smash burgers with bacon and mushrooms. I got some of these Hawaiian rolls that we're gonna put them on. It's gonna be delicious. It's gonna be delicious. So let's get going. All right, so the first thing we need to do to start, we're gonna start with bacon because bacon makes everything better. Now, I need to probably turn down my heat before I start because I have it just heated up and I cranked the thing all the way to max. So we're gonna turn these down to low. As you can see, they're smoking pretty hot. We're just gonna cook all the bacon. Why not? Okay, so first thoughts. When you're doing this much bacon, you're probably better to take it apart as you put it on instead of sticking it on and trying to separate it after the fact. A lot of splattering going on and stuff like that. So I would, in the future, do that first. But one of the nice things with this 36-inch grill is that we are able to cook an entire pound of bacon. You see how much space we have left. We could do probably 3 pounds at a time if we wanted to. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to crisp up some of this bacon here. And what I actually want to do is I want to make a spot here. Because with these burgers, one of the things that we need is some mushrooms. And these are just thinly sliced, but I'm going to put them right here in the back because I want to use some of that bacon grease to cook them. Should make them really tasty. Question, how do you like your bacon? Do you want it crispy or do you like it like my youngest who likes it a little on the squishy side? My eldest, she wants it extra crispy. My youngest, extra squishy. Leave a comment below. Let me know how you like your bacon. So as this bacon's getting done, I actually turned the right side off. I'm going to just put it over here to the right, keep it nice and warm while we get into cooking the rest of the food. Trying to get this situated. Alright, so now that we got that going, alright, so mushrooms sauteed. A little bit of bacon grease. We're just going to add some salt to them. Throw a little bit of pepper on them. Let those cook. them out a little bit. And I'll get on to the surface as best as we can. There we go. So we're just going to let these cook for a couple minutes. We'll be back, and then we're going to get on to doing the next part, the burgers. Be back soon. All right, so we've given these mushrooms a couple minutes to cook. They're just about done. So what I'm going to do is, like I said, I've got this right side over here completely turned off. I'm going to move these over to the side, let this thing start heating up, and we're going to then get on to making these burgers. So let's just... Now, some people may go and put a bunch of oil down to cook these smash burgers. I don't need to do that. Why? Because I already have all this grease. There's a bunch of bacon grease, actually. I'm going to get rid of some of it. Back here. It's a little too much. We're going to... Oh, before we get into the burgers, let me check our fries. One of the things I love about this unit, having the air fryer, we're making some waffle fries to go with dinner tonight. So let's check it. Those are looking pretty good. With the large baskets, you can cook enough for a whole family all in one shot. I love it. All right, so let's get on to burgers. All right, so to make these smash burgers, real easy seasoning, salt and pepper. All right, so if you've ever had a rough night or a rough day at work and you need to just get some aggression out, smash burgers are one of the best things to make for it. You're going to use something and smash this down as flat as you can. Tonight we're going to try for the first time this griddle press. Have just purchased this thing. It is massive. It is huge. But we're going to take it and we're going to smash these burgers. Let's get to it. I think I can do like 2 or 3 at a time because it's that big. Had a casualty. All right, so we're going to give this a minute to just cook. We're about to flip them over and we're going to make up our burgers. We don't want to waste a lot of time. So actually what we're going to do, let's get some buns on here, because these will be ready in no time. Now once again, you could go and put butter or mayonnaise on to toast these rolls up, but I don't need to. I have enough bacon grease and it's gonna work just fine as toast. All right, so let's get to these burger flips. My fries are done, so I just shut the air fryer off. Gonna keep them in and keep them warm. Let's throw a couple more buns on here. And we're ready for cheese. So for cheese tonight, we've got mozzarella and we've got some American. Let's go ahead, let's put some mushrooms on a while, ahead of time. I think everybody likes mushrooms in my family, so we're gonna do it upright tonight. All right, cheese now. And that's it. We're gonna let them sit a couple minutes, let that cheese melt, and we're gonna eat some delicious food here soon. All right, so we gave it a minute or two just to let that cheese melt, and we're about to pull one off here and dress it, as they would say. And there you have it, folks. A bacon cheese dream burger. We're about to go inside and eat these up. They're going to be amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, put the bell on. I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.